ASUS Republic of Gamers has unveiled its latest Zephyrus G14 Alan Walker Special Edition laptop in collaboration with the DJ artist who goes by Alan Walkers. The ROG Zephyrus G14 AW SE laptop sports a 14-inch WQHD 120Hz screen and is powered by the Ryzen 9 5900HS CPU and an RTX 3050 Ti GPU. The laptop features a custom boot animation and Alan Walker um, wallpaper. The glass touchpad is shaded with a customized pattern inspired by music equalizer alongside keycaps matching Alan Walker's signature colors, plus A and W keys with the producer's logo printed at the top. ASUS ROG packed the Zephyrus G14 AW SE with more premium finishes and designs such as the unique color accent like the Spectre Blue shade of the anime matrix LED array, which is exclusive to this machine. The artist's signature is also included and is displayed next to the ROG logo. ROG or the ROG, which is manufactured with a physical vapor deposition process. Finally, two fabric belts along the belt add ROG's signature cyberpunk aesthetic. When we go talk about the specification of the ROG Zephyrus G14 Alan Walker Special Edition, it is a 14-inch WQHD 2560 by 14400 resolution of display, IPS display, and 120Hz screen refresh rate, Ryzen 9 5900 HS CPU, RTX 3050 Ti, 4GB GDDR6 and 8GB of RAM, 1TB of PCIe 3 SSD. The ROG Zephyrus or ROG Zephyrus G14 Alan Walker Special Edition will include a bundle that has a ROG or ROG remix sampler, ROG sleeve, Alan Walker baseball cap, and Alan Walker socks. And the ROG or the ROG Zephyrus G14 AW SE is priced at the PHP 1,09,995 and will be available starting from tomorrow, which is August 19, 2021. If you want more videos, subscribe, turn on notification bell, and share with your friends, relatives, or members who you know. And that's all. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.